Hello friends, today I am going to show you a special recipe from Tamilnadu, the crunchy Ulunthu vadai. It is a kind of pakoda made of uriddal, the black gram. Unlike most other vadai, this Ulunthu vada needs some special tips and tricks to make it successfully. I am going to show you how to prepare this vadai very easily. Before entering the video, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe and continue watching. My name is Vicky Xavier and welcome to Vicky's Kitchen. The ingredients needed are whole urid dal 1.5 cup. In India, we can easily get new and fresh urid dal. In that case, we will get 15 vada for 1 cup urid dal. In some countries, the urid dal we get is mostly old and also most of us use a mixie for grinding instead of a grinder. So we can get only 10 to 12 small vada per cup. Rinse the urid dal thrice thoroughly. Soak the urid dal in cold water for 1 to 1.5 hours. During hot weather, keep it soaking inside the refrigerator. This will prevent the vada from absorbing more oil during frying. Never soak it more than 1.5 hours. After 1.5 hours, drain the water from the dal and keep it aside. We are going to use this water for grinding the urid dal later. Add the urid dal to a grinder. I am using Ultra brand 110 volt grinder. We can use a mixie also. Grind it to a fine paste with very little water. Grind till it is fluffy by adding water little by little. Along with this, add 1 tablespoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon cumin and 1.5 teaspoon salt. Grind the batter till it is fluffy by adding water little by little. The final consistency should be like soft butter. It will take almost 10 minutes. Always use unsplit whole skinless white urid dal for making vada and idli. We can use split urid dal also, but the amount of batter we get would be lesser. If you think the vada batter has become a little more watery, we can add 1 or 2 tablespoons of rice flour or rava, but it will reduce the taste. So we should be very careful in adding the water. To check if it is done, take a bowl of water and drop a dollop of batter in the water. If the batter floats, then we can understand that it is done perfectly. If it sinks, then grind for a few more minutes with a few drops of water. Now we can see that the batter is floating, so it is done perfectly. Switch off the grinder and pour the batter to a mixing bowl. We can check the salt now also. We can prepare this batter and keep it in fridge for up to a week. The other items needed are peanut oil or any cooking oil 2 cups or 300 ml, shallot 10 or red onion 1, 2 green chilies and some curry leaves. Peel the onion and chop the chili and onion very finely along with the curry leaves, and if possible add some cilantro also. 1 teaspoon black pepper and 1 teaspoon cumin. Add these to the batter and mix thoroughly. Now the vada batter is ready. We call it as vada mavu. Keep it in fridge until we need to fry. Heat 2 cups of oil in a wok. I always suggest using a thick cast iron wok for deep frying. Thick iron wok ensures the uniform frying of the vadai. Wait till the oil reaches the hottest point, but not smoky. Reduce the flame to a medium. Keep a bowl of water ready for wetting our hand. Take a small plastic sheet or banana leaf and apply a little bit of water over the plastic sheet. Now I am showing how I am making the vadai. I am dipping my fingers in the bowl of water and applying the water all over the plastic sheet, and I am taking a small bowl of batter and placing it on the plastic sheet, and I am flattening it, and then I am putting a small hole on the vadai. This small hole is very necessary in making the Ulunthu vadai, as it will help it to cook in the center. Now gently transfer it to the other palm and slide it into the hot oil. Likewise, make 2 or 3 more vada and put it in the oil. Do not overcrowd the oil. In Tamilnadu, this Ulunthu vada is prepared during most festivals and it is served along with coconut chutney. If it is prepared in any temples or for any Hindu festival, the vada will not contain any onion. So if you are new to this concept of Ulunthu vada and traveling to Tamilnadu, you should definitely try this in any restaurant and it would be very good. The health benefits of uriddal are, it improves our gut health, body's iron level, heart health, It is diabetic friendly and it gives shiny hair. It strengthens our bones and good for hips. We can see that the bubbles are getting reduced and we can see a light red color appearing all around the sides. Now it is the time to flip the vadai. After flipping, let it cook in the other side also for 2 minutes. Drain the oil, take the vadai out and place them on some paper towels or some multi-hole basin to drain the excess oil. Mostly the Ulunthu vadai is served along with coconut chutney or sambar along with hot coffee or tea in the evening. This also makes a good side dish with idli, venbangal or any sambar rice as breakfast or dinner. Now our Ulunthu vadai is ready. Enjoy it with coconut chutney or just as such. Hope you all like this Ulunthu vadai recipe. Please try this and let me know how you like it in the comment section. I request you to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I will meet you again with some more interesting videos. Until then, take care. See you.